Hello there, my name is Mouse and welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you have just purchased the furniture pack or ArcViz furniture pack, first of all, thank you for that and thank you for the support. This is a video to demonstrate how you can use it with the asset library add-on, or just if you don't have the asset library, how you can get it or just use it without the asset library. So after you get the asset pack, all you have to do is go to your downloads and it should come up as a zip file. And if you want to use it directly, all you have to do is extract it, and then you can go in and you find all the blend files in the blend files folder. These other files are just there to help you use it with the asset library add-ons, so you don't really want to do anything here. Just go into the blend file and you can access all the blend files here that are included with the asset library. So you can open any of these and it should show you the asset, and you can copy it and place it anywhere in your blend file. For example, I can just select everything here, copy, and then paste it in a different blend project. That is if you don't have this asset library add-on. If you have the asset library add-on, it makes everything way much simpler because you don't really have to even go through the folders. You just have to open up the add-on. I'll show you in a minute how to use it. So one thing that might happen is if the textures are not loading in, you'll see that all the textures are in the textures folder. So what you have to do is just go under the file menu, external data, find missing files, and then go into this textures file and then click find missing files. I'm sure this won't happen, but in case it does, that's how you can find the missing textures. Now, if you have the add-on, you can do the same steps. So extract the file and then just go under select library directory and then go under create or link directory. Then navigate to where you have downloaded the add-on, and for our case, that's in the downloads compressed, and now we can see that it's in the ArcViz asset pack folder. Go into that and then again until you see you have these five files or 4 folders under this. Then all you have to do is just hit accept and then create stroke link, and you'll get this all library detected, and it will set it as your library for now. And then you can access everything. Let me first get rid of all of these. You can access the entire library with all the assets very simply by just going through these navigations. So we can see that in the uncategorized we don't have any, but we have decors, we have picture frames, we have plants, we have tables. You're not only limited to these, these are objects, but you also have materials. You can see the different materials. We also have collections, and this is where most of the assets are. So we have beds. So if I want to add that, I just select it and then add it to my scene. And if you want to make any changes, for example, I want to change the material of this part here to say wood. All you have to do is just scroll down. If you have added a collection, just scroll down and you find that in the asset preview details, you have this button or functionality called make editable local. Because this is an empty object or a linked object, it is imported in as an empty, which you can't edit. So if I tap into edit mode here, you can see that I am not able to do that, and it's not an option here because this is a linked object. So to make it editable, you just have to go to the asset settings here and hit make editable, and that should make it editable. Now I can go in and make changes. The asset library also comes with the materials that you can access with this material option, and you can select whatever material you have. You can see if we go under wood, we can find some wood texture to use here, or wood material. You just have to select the part or the material slot from here. If you have more than one material, you make sure to have it selected here, but if you just have one, then you don't really have to. Then you can just hit add, and it should be added as a material. So I can also just switch these around very easily, as you can see. And I can go to the fabrics and I can try something different. Let's try this. You can see what we have. So another thing to note in this, if you're using the asset library add-on, so let's go to collections and add another bed here. Can add this to the scene. Now, if I wanted to make changes to the original version, so that whenever I change this, for example, if I wanted to change the material of this to something like a red material, so that whenever I'm adding it to the scene, it's always that material, all I have to do is again go to this, to the add-on, and open original blend file, and that should open the original blend file. Then you can make any changes you want, and they should reflect in the final version. But you have to save here, and also reopen the project where you want those changes to be. You can scroll down to the library packages, and you see that you see a show library button. If you click on that, it will show you some of the new libraries that are available for download. And if you just click on that, next it can take you through the libraries. Right now we only have the furniture pack, but if you have more, if there are more, you can just click next, and you should be able to get the latest one. And just click on download assets, and it will take you to the page where you can download that asset. One more thing, to make sure that you have the latest version of the add-on, you can always scroll down to the library packages panel, and you find the version number there. If this doesn't match the latest version, you can click check updates, and it will take you to the Blender Market page to check whether that number matches this. If it doesn't, you can click on if you already bought the add-on, you should find a download button here where you can download the add-on without repurchasing it or buying it again, just to make sure that you have the latest version, which has more features and more updated. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.